Good evening, ma'am,
Good evening.
and good evening, everyone. My name is Akash Mishri. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and my subtopic is historical place, and my topic is Taj Mahal.
Nice. Speak on. Yes, Akash. Please carry on. आपका टाइमर शुरू हो गया है. Okay. In that case, I would mute Akash and I would just now last give chance to Sridevi. There is a person named Sridevi in this group. Please speak up, unmute yourself and quickly talk on your given topic. Is the girl there? Is the person here? Okay, in that case, I quickly pick up Asha. Asha, unmute yourself and talk.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Hello, everyone. India has so many historical places, but today I will talk to you Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Taj Mahal is made by white marble, and Taj Mahal is a symbol of love. And, and Taj Mahal is a memory of memory of the Shahjahan's wife, and the Taj Mahal is a UNESCO heritage
Yeah,
site,
UNESCO heritage. Very good. Yes.
and Taj Mahal and all over the world people are visit the Taj Mahal. Thank you.
Okay. Perfect. Good try. At least you tried. Happy for your try. So a big clap for all of you, those who have spoken. Really very good initiative. I am really happy to listen to all of you. Only rather than me talking, I was really happy to listen to all of you. But you still now see, खुद evaluation करो अपने content का. You understand कितना preparation अभी आपको करना है. अभी तो ना मैं क्या कर रही हूँ कि आपको टाइम दे रही हूँ कि आप टॉपिक प्रिपेयर करो फिर बोलो. इन द कमिंग डेज और थोड़े दिनों के बाद मैं क्या करूंगी, आई विल जस्ट गिव यू रैंडम टॉपिक्स. प्रिपरेशन का टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. ओके. सो यू विल हैव टू अकॉर्डिंगली पिकअप, यू विल हैव टू अकॉर्डिंगली ग्रिल योर सेल्फ. एंड द बेस्ट वे टू ग्रिल योर सेल्फ इज रीडिंग हैबिट डालो, अच्छे से रीडिंग करो. बहुत सारी रीडिंग इंपॉर्टेंट है, करनी है. वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ रीडिंग, नॉट ओनली अबाउट टेक्नोलॉजी, नॉट ओनली अबाउट साइंस फिक्शंस. You have to read everything. GK ले लो, कुछ भी, like your history, your country, political scenario, कितना सारा है. Just read a good newspaper magazine, that will also help you a lot. Quickly हम जा रहे हैं ऑडियो की तरफ. People, it was a great session with you all, but there were so many who's not participated. मैंने यहाँ पे एक टैग लगाया तो है सबके नाम पे, कौन कौन बोला कौन कौन नहीं बोला. I will again discuss this in the upcoming session. ऑडियो के लिए रेडी? ऑल ऑफ यू रेडी फॉर द ऑडियो? सुनिए, इट इज लिसन टू क्वेश्चन, सो यू हैव टू मेक क्वेश्चंस. ऑडियो प्ले कर रही हूं, आपको क्विकली उसमें क्वेश्चंस बनाने हैं और ऑडियो में एक ही बार प्ले करूंगी. अब अगर आप क्वेश्चन बना रहे हो तो ऑब्वियसली आंसर ध्यान में नोट कर लेना. ओके. आप क्वेश्चन मैम बोला, आपने बोला था, आपने, मैंने आंसर तो नहीं नोट करा, नथिंग लाइक दैट. हाँ, अगर क्वेश्चन बना रहे हो तो आंसर साथ में नोट होना चाहिए, so that when somebody answers you should be telling कि हाँ करेक्ट है कि गलत है. And the audio goes on. Connected for the audio? सब attentive? एक ही बार play होगा audio. Okay, audio will be played only once. And here goes the audio.
Introductions and small talk. Informal greetings and farewells.
Hi, Helen. How's it going? Fine, thanks. And you? Just fine. Where are you off to? To the library. I've got a history exam next week and need to start studying. Ugh. Oh, no. Well, I'll see you later then. Good luck.
Thanks. See you later.
Language notes. Hi is an informal way of saying hello. Notice that the I sound in hi is extended to show that Jane is very pleased to see Helen. How's it going? Is an informal way of saying, how are you? Fine, thanks. And you? Notice the rising intonation on and you. This shows that Helen is interested in what Jane has to say. Where are you off to?
So, questions in the chat box, please. Put the questions in the chat box. बनाए हैं क्वेश्चन सबने? Type out your questions in the chat box. Who were talking? And somebody can answer. Chalo, who wants to answer to this question? You want to listen again, Asha? Okay, there is a question. Who were talking? Hey, how are you? Fine, thank you. No. आपको वो script नहीं लिखनी है. Helen is appearing for the exam. हाँ? तो ये क्वेश्चन कहाँ हुआ? ये तो स्टेटमेंट हुआ. Is appearing. अच्छा, for which exam? Okay, which exam? चलो. I saw 2 questions. इन 2 क्वेश्चन के आंसर दो. किसको आता है? I saw एक नलिनी का क्वेश्चन है. Says who were talking? I want answer for that. And one more question. Helen was appearing for which exam? ये क्वेश्चन है. Okay. History exam. Is it correct or not? जिसने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था, is it correct or not? If it is correct, yes, great. चलिए, somebody wanted to listen again. I am putting it once more. I am playing it once more. So be attentive. We will have one more round of the audio and then the question. And of course, the others will answer the question. Okay. And
Is an informal way of saying, where are you going?
I am just putting it from the beginning.
Informal greetings and farewells.
Hi, Helen. How's it going? Fine, thanks. And you? Just fine. Where are you off to?
To the library. I've got a history exam next week and need to start studying. Ugh.
Oh, no. Well, I'll see you later then. Good luck.
Thanks. See you later.
Language notes. Hi is an informal way of saying hello. Notice that the I sound in hi is extended to show that Jane is very pleased to see Helen. How's it going? Is an informal way of saying, how are you? Fine, thanks. And you? Notice the rising intonation on and you. This shows that Helen is interested in what Jane has to say. Where are you off to? Is an informal way of saying, where are you going? Notice the falling intonation since this is an information question, not a yes/no question. To the library. Notice that Helen does not say, I'm going here, because that information was already established in the question, where are you off to? Oh no, is a way of saying, I sympathize with you, or I understand you are not happy. See you later is an informal way of saying goodbye. Introductions and small talk. Informal.
Okay, so the second round I have done. I hope you have heard carefully. How many people are talking? What is replaced by how are you? Okay, so I have good things over here, good questions. Where are you going? Library. Why are you going to library? Preparation of my exams. Shweta is writing, is Helen interested? And James says yes. Okay. Next, what is replaced by? Yeah, answer to Anuradha's question. How many people are talking? बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है, कुछ समझा? ओके, काम करूंगी मैं, ये ऑडियोज भी, अच्छा जब मैं ये कराऊंगी अपने चैनल पे तो ये ऑडियो वहां पे भी होगा, सो यू री लिसन टू इट. ओके, दिस इज माय सेकंड ऑडियो, हम ये सेकंड एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं. सो जिनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है पीपल, इट विल बी देयर, री लिसन टू इट, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. ओके, where are you going in the afternoon? Library. Asha ne question bhi khud kara. 2 person are talking, 2 people are talking. Okay. Okay, what is the formal way to see you later? Yeah, tell who, what's the formal way to say see you later? Okay, we can say bye. Okay. Okay, people, it was, I hope you enjoyed today's session also. I also would like to just come back on the screen, and I also would like to say you people bye, and catch you soon in the next sessions. Okay. Stay prepared for new upcoming interesting sessions and revise everything. Revise and implement. Revision and implement is also very important. Okay. So I am calling it a day. Kal ka idiom, remember? Call off the day. So I am calling off the day. Of course, we will meet tomorrow with new content, and I hope you revise. Bye everyone. Good night.